Good morning, good morning. I thought today is Monday, July 15th, and I thought that today we would do like a what I eat in the day kind of video. So I figured today I'm 23 weeks pregnant, and I thought what better thing could we talk about on episode 2 of the Fit Pregnancy Project than nutrition. So I'm gonna go through, kind of show you everything I'm eating in a day, and we'll also talk about what I'm doing as far as counting macros. I'm not. How I give into pregnancy cravings, when to give into them, and when to know that it's just a normal boredom, hunger pain, and go throughout our day. So welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica. Let's get this full day of eating started. Smoothies, and I'll put the recipe down here in the description box for you guys, and I'll put it somewhere over here as well. But this one is cashew milk, protein powder, I like vegan protein powder, spinach, banana, peaches. Peaches are so good right now. And then some spirulina. I can only do a little bit because it gets a little too earthy for me. So I do about a teaspoon of spirulina, and then I've also been adding this, I just finished it, this Cocoa Living Coconut Yogurt, and this is what I'm using as my source of fat, and I'm really liking it. It's a probiotic, so us moms kind of need that, and us pregnant ladies kind of need that help. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this, and I'll show you what I eat next. Okay, ready? You're gonna put the spinach in?
Yeah, so I just take a spooky picture.
You took a spooky picture?
I take lots of spinach we got this time.
Whoa, that's a lot of spinach. Good job. I need a little bit more milk for all that spinach. Okay, you ready?
The spinach did grow. I'm ready.
You want to do the peanut butter?
Yeah. Is this gonna be my poop?
You have strawberry all under your nose, sweetie pie. All right, so we'll put a little bit in your smoothie.
I'm a big one. Wow.
Do you want to put the banana in?
Mm-hmm.
This is a good piece. Go ahead, throw it in. Great job. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Turn it on. All right, it's only 12 o'clock, but I'm hungry. I'm making Jim's lunch, and my stomach started growling, and I'm like, oh yeah, I could eat too. My old non-maternity shirts are getting to be a little too short, and the maternity band, this fun thing, was popping through. So I think it's finally time to accept the fact that maternity clothes are gonna be a staple in my wardrobe now. Let's talk snacks, because if you're like me and you're past that first trimester nausea, you're hungry all the time. So you want to make sure that you're focusing on whole food nutrition. You want to be eating complete foods as much as possible and eliminating processed foods as much as possible. So my go-tos are eggs. I love hummus and vegetables. I love fruits. When I'm not pregnant, I try and limit fruit to 1 to 2 servings a day, and I cut it off at lunchtime. Now that I'm pregnant, I'm not focusing that much on that anymore. Yes, there's a huge argument about sugar and your body craving fruit. If you deplete it of processed and refined sugars long enough, your body is going to look at fruit the same way it would look at those refined sugars. It thinks they're the same. However, when you're pregnant, to me, fruit just sounds really good all the time, and not a whole lot of foods still sound great. So I'm not depriving myself. If I want to have cherries, like I had a bowl of cherries after lunch today, or if I want to have a banana in the morning and then also some fruit in my smoothie, I'm not too worried about it. I'll usually have a protein shake, which you saw, for breakfast. If I don't, I will have some sort of vegan protein bar in the afternoon as a snack. I have a sweet tooth, and that seems to do the trick. Some sort, like an RX bar or those new to go bars that I've shown you guys. I really like those. If I have, like this morning, I did have my protein shake, so I won't have a protein bar as well. Trying to keep processed foods to a minimum. I'll either do a rice cake with some nut butter. I'll do hummus and vegetables. I make my crustless low carb egg white quiche, which I'll link below. I'll have a slice or 2 of that, some veggies, just really try and up the fiber. So those are some of my favorite go-to snacks. So a meal prepping cooking hack that I have for you guys is cook vegetables that take a long time. Like tonight, I'm gonna roast some butternut squash. That takes a while. So if you're doing a big meal prep, say on like a Sunday, go ahead and prep vegetables like this. You know, you can throw a bag of broccoli in the microwave and steam it really, really fast. But roasting squash, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, those things take a little bit of time. So for me, I don't necessarily need to meal prep a whole lot of food because I'm home during the day. However, I don't want at 5 o'clock to be roasting a sweet potato or a butternut squash, which is what I'm using today, because that means we might not eat until 6:30, 7 o'clock. My toddler goes to bed at 7:30. So things that take a long time, I'm starting now. It's a little after 4. Even if it's completely done before I start assembling the rest of dinner, it'll be done, and then I can just warm it up and we're ready to go. I'm not even gonna lie, time completely got away from me, and it is 3 days later. So I'm making, like evenings later, I'm making dinner right now. But there's one important thing that I forgot to bring up, and that is water, hydration. Are you drinking enough water? Water is such an important part of a healthy lifestyle, regardless of whether or not you're pregnant. You should constantly be refilling a water cup. So I like to keep a tumbler cup like this. I got sick of Yetis. I kept losing them and sick of replacing them and paying. So I got this at Target. Of course, I've never lost it. For like 10 bucks. The goal should be to drink at least half of your body weight in fluid ounces of water daily. Challenge yourself to getting a gallon in, especially you mamas. I know it's hard, and I know it's also counterintuitive. If you're pregnant and you're retaining water and you feel like you're swelling a lot, drinking more water actually can help with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed episode 2. If you're not already, be sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in episode 3.